Common signs of failed diesel glow plug in the car. Cars have a heating component called a diesel glow plug to start the diesel engine. Without a heat generated from the plug, the diesel engine cannot start and operate. Diesel engine will rely on the diesel glow plug to drive the car in colder environments. If the diesel glow plug is failed, it will affect the functions of the diesel engine. Here are the common signs that define the failed diesel glow plug of the car. Black smoke from the exhaust. Black smoke coming out of the exhaust pipe indicates a failed diesel glow plug. Failed diesel glow plug will certainly put a damper on the diesel combustion. Engine starting issues. Due to the failed diesel glow plug, you will notice it difficult to start up the car. As a result, more pressure put on the engine for the successful ignition in the car. Illuminated engine light. When the diesel glow plug is failed, the engine light will turn on in the dashboard. So, for determining the real issues behind it, you should use a diagnostic scan tool. Misfired engine. When the fuel does not ignite properly in the cylinder, it will cause engine misfire. If the diesel glow plug is not functioning, there will likely be a misfire during ignition. Conclusion. If you notice any of these signs in your car, then consult with a mechanic immediately. Reputed and certified mechanic, you diagnose the problem and fix it efficiently. Thank you.